Okay, so now I figured out the security system. All of this shit was unplugged. I was able to get all the connectors back on it. There's one here, there's a connector here. I don't know what the switch still does, right? And then the coaxial input. Now, every time I go into the key on position, you can hear over here two clicks. Now, I don't know why. I was able to deactivate the alarm. I figured out how. But over here, consistently, that's what's going on. And I think that's fine. Yeah, these fuses are fine. Like, it's just clicking. And I don't know why, but it's consistently clicking. I go to start. Now, I don't know why. I know it buzzes a little bit. It's still doing that, okay? But that consistently clicking, I don't know what it is.